Here's a 1968 Dodge Coronet 440. I would consider this car a running and driving project is how it's being represented. Now, of course, remember the Coronet 440 was a model. Does not mean these all had a 440 in them. They came with a variety of engines. This particular one started out life with a 383. That was paired to a 3-speed automatic transmission. This particular car has power steering also. It also would have been a metallic gold car, so gold, or I should say medium gold metallic car to begin with. So still retaining the original colors. Also would have had a black interior with a bench vinyl seat. That's how it is set up to this day yet. Now I will tell you there are some rust. Like I said, kind of a running driving project. You want to take this car to the next level. There's some rust issues and I'll kind of point those out as I go around this car, but definitely a nice starting point for somebody. Did have an aluminum radiator added to it. Noticed underneath the hood. You can check out the still pictures so you can see how it looks on the underside. Check out the trunk, check out the engine bay interior, etc. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. It's in the description. Click on it. It's going to take you there. Feel free to call us too. 507-386-1726. As I come to the back, I'm going to come down here in these lower rear quarters. You can see, and then some in front of the wheel well. A little bit down there by the door. Not too terrible on the passenger side. Getting around to the driver's side, it's a little bit worse. Interior seating, belts, everything's all there. Vinyl driver's side and passenger side up front is showing its age some. Showing its wear. Dash, nice shape. Still a nice stock looking dash, steering wheel. And headliner was still fine. Let's check that out here. Headliner still looks good in it. There are pictures in the trunk. There's some rust through in the trunk also, so take a look at the still pictures. It'll show you that. It appears all the bright work and everything is there. Some Magnum 500 style wheels. Here, some extra parts to go with it. There's some wheel covers there with the aluminum radiator being added to the car. I'm assuming that's the original one in the box there. Some miscellaneous carburetor rebuild. Wheel cylinders, brake cylinders. Pads. Shoes. What have you. So there are some brake parts. Brake cylinder parts. Trim plate. So that will be included with it. And there's still pictures of that also. You can see a little bit of rust down here as well. Bottom of the trunk. Alright, rear quarters. Now on the driver's side. And again, you can check out all these in the still pictures. 1968 Dodge Coronet 440 with 383. Called it a running driving project. That's the best way to describe it. Medium gold metallic paint, original color to it. Let's go ahead and fire this up a second. Car runs nice. As you can see, fuel gauge works there. Alternator. Gauges all look good in here. 80,000 miles. Can't confirm or deny that, but would not surprise me if that was the miles on this. And it did sound like the radio powered up. I haven't really got noise or station. Let's try this a little bit and see if we get anything out of it. Would have been an original AM radio in it. That's still the way it is.
It does make the locking we've tended to do over the years.
Radio does work in it also. You can hear how smooth that engine runs. Nice running car. Slip around to the back. Not smoke or anything. Very smooth running 383 underneath the hood. I tell you what, let's pause this video a second. Let's go and check out the engine compartment. See what that looks like too. Alright, hood pops and check out the engine bay. There's the aluminum radiator I was talking about that was added. Everything appears to be pretty much the way it would have came back in 1968 underneath there, except for that radiator. Again, very smooth running 383 V8. So there you have it. Looking for a 68 Coronet to take to the next level? Here it is. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Website to check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the link, or there's a link in the description. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website and these pictures. Look forward to hearing from you on this one. Give us a call.